The guy asked if I wanted the horn there. He asked if I wanted them to blow the horn. I said no. I got sensitive hearing. I didn't want him doing it in front of me. Perfect CN via meat. Perfect shot right there. I didn't even see that CN train coming in there. Oh, here he goes. Oh, he's got the CO2 tanks on him. Come on, buddy, you can get cold. Get him. Look at my leg going. Look at my legs. They're freaking shaking. Is he getting ready to go? Oh, he's leaving. He just activated his bell. Oh, he must be waiting for the CN train to leave.
That train's almost done.
Yeah, guys, I think this train has the right of way. He doesn't have his high beams on. Oh, I see what he's doing. Huh? I think he's waiting for me so I can get him to go. Because he thinks I'm filming the CN train. I think this train has, this one on the other track, I think he has the right of way. Yeah. He might be waiting for the other, oh, the other train would be stopped. He should be okay to go though. No, I think, yeah, the other train's coming from that way. It's gonna be stopped now because of this one. There he goes. See if I get his bell. Oh, did you hear that?
Huh?
Did you hear the thump there? Oh yeah, maybe he is. Maybe he's waiting for this guy here.
Maybe.
I don't think they're supposed to be pulling out when there's another train going. I think that's the problem. I think the CN has the priority though. Is he gonna back up? Awesome shot right there. Thank you, Via Rail.